Welcome to Unit 8.2. This is about characteristic and demand curve for monopolistic competition. What is monopolistic competition? Monopolistic competition is a market structure in which a large number of small sellers sell close substitutes products. In this market, the goods produced and sold are different, but they are close substitutes to each other. Monopolistic competition is a combination of perfect competition and monopoly. There are many examples of this type of market, and some of these are the markets for goods such as shoes, books, watches, toothpaste, soap, ice creams, chocolates, and others. Characteristic of monopolistic competition. Number one, large number of sellers. There are a large number of sellers in a monopolistic competition. Although a large number of firms exist in a monopolistic competition market, but it is less than perfect competition. The size of each firm is small, and therefore no individual firm can influence the market price. Hence, each firm follows an independent price output policy. Number two, differentiated product. In monopolistic competition, the firms produce goods which are differentiated. For example, they are not identical. Each seller will use various methods to differentiate their products from other sellers to create a preference among buyers or consumers. Differentiation of the product may be through the packaging, design, labeling, advertising, and brand names. Number three, free entry and exit. Entry into and exit out of the monopolistic competitive industry are unrestricted. New firms may enter the industry with close substitutes to the existing brand. Entry into and exit out of a monopolistic competition are not as easy as in perfect competition because of product differentiation. Number four, selling cost. Each firm tries to promote its product by using different types of advertisements that vary in cost. The different advertisements include banners, media advertisement, billboards, pamphlet, and others. The expenditure incurred is known as selling cost and need to be added to the cost of production. Number five, non-price competition. In monopolistic competition, there will be stiff competition among firms for products and not for the price of the product. The producer or sellers in a monopolistic competition use various methods to attract consumers to buy a particular brand. They create a sense of brand consciousness among customers. Type of non-price competition practices in monopolistic competition market are advertisement, promotions, discounts, free gifts, after-sales services, and others. Demand curve for monopolistic competition. The demand curve for a monopolistic competitive firm is downward sloping due to product differentiation. The firm in monopolistic competition is small compared to the overall industry, which has many firms. Each firm produces products with close substitutes. Therefore, the elasticity of demand for the product is quite high. The demand curve for a monopolistic competitive firm sloping downward from left to right, and individual firms has its own demand curve which is also downward sloping. The individual firm's demand curve reflects the consumer's taste and income on and the price of products of the firms. The demand curve of monopolistic competitive firm is more elastic than the demand curve of the monopolist firm because there are many firms and many substitute goods in a monopolistic competition. The demand curve of a monopolistic competitive firm is less elastic compared to a perfect competition firm. That's all for Unit 8.2. Thank you.